In this lesson, we'll discuss what is SharePoint. Let's get started. So that's a pretty big question, right? What is SharePoint? Well, SharePoint is a website. And what's awesome about a website, it's available online. I don't need a program on my computer to access it, right? If I have internet access, I'm on a laptop, I'm on a desktop, I'm on a mobile device, I have the ability to access this website if I know the path to the website and I have my username and password. I love that side of it. Nothing to install on my device, and yet I have access to it wherever I go if I have internet connectivity. So because it's a website, you can guess it is made up of web pages. And it is a fantastic tool for teams to collaborate with, because it gives us the ability to have one-stop shopping for all of our content. Yeah, think about that for a second. When we work with a team of people and we have content stored on a public drive and a network drive and a map drive and some of it on my computer, when I need to find something, oh my goodness, I lose a lot of time searching for that information. Well, SharePoint has a very robust search tool that helps us find the content quickly. And it also pulls it in and shows us the most relevant results. It's very powerful. We'll talk more about that later. It's nice because it's centrally managed. So we get permission to what we need to have access to, and we can work with that content as we need that access. So we need read permission only. We can get that. We need to be able to read and edit and delete and add content. We get that. It's all centrally managed for us, so it keeps it simple. As I mentioned, it is a great team collaboration tool. So as far as business communication and working with our team, oh, SharePoint's got you covered. And we have flow. Think about any business you've been in, any business you've worked with. There are always processes that we have to follow, and SharePoint can help us manage that flow. Wow. Yeah, it's a pretty incredible tool. We'll see when we get in there that there are two types of sites. We have the team site, and the team site is a great space for team collaboration. Whether it's a project team, it's a department team, we can collaborate together because all of our content is in one place. Makes life super simple. We'll see as we get in there that we have lists and libraries to store content, and generally with the team members have the ability to view, add, edit, delete content. Work together really well. We also have a communication site. The communication site's a little bit different style site. It's more about engaging and informing viewers. So not so much about collaboration, but sharing information out, pushing information out. So it could be for department information. Everybody goes there to read and get all the information about the department. Maybe it's where we have new employee onboarding information. Maybe we use it to showcase a product or an event. Could be topic-based. So the thing about SharePoint, it can be kind of almost anything you need it to be, and that's what makes it so cool. You'll see as we go through the lessons coming up here that it is very easy. Once you learn how to work in one area, what you learn applies to other areas. So it really makes it pretty straightforward once you get the gist of it. So let's take a quick peek at a team site, quick peek at a communication site, just so you can see the difference. Let me bring that right up. And here we are in a communication site. So notice with this site, across the top, we can see the name of the site, Flowers Are Us, and we've got the ability to navigate around and view different parts of this site. All right, all about flowers. So as I scroll down, this is about informing, right? Engaging and informing. So as you're looking at it, right, we read about it. If we want to learn more about it, we click. Scroll down to the next area. Read about it, right? Engage. If I'm interested, I click. Okay, so this is an example of a communication site, and again, engage and inform. Let me grab my other tab across the top. This is a team site. A team site is about collaborating. So here we have a site where we share information with the team. So down the left side here, we have documents, and we have, in this case, invoices and orders and daily sales. This is all about sales. So our team members will be able to go into these different lists, different libraries, view, add, edit, delete content. It's an interesting site. Team site. As I scroll down this page, you can see we have news, we have activity, but all about collaboration with the team. So as we continue on through the lessons, we'll take you in, show you what you need to know. I hope you found this information helpful, and I look forward to seeing you in the next lesson.